Hello my friends, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. So today guys, we're going to be doing a quick cartoon drawing of Jennifer Lopez. Actually guys, let me just turn up my screen intensity here, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to do is I want to determine how much space my head's going to take up. So I kind of look at the head as one basic idea, one basic shape first. All right, what does that head look like before we start talking about features and all that good stuff? A lot of times it's easier to draw the overall idea first and then come back and try to draw the rest of the picture. Right? Do you understand what I am saying to you? Okay. So we got an idea of how much her head's going to take up. So now what I'll do is I'll kind of make her head, her shape fit into what I've already drawn. Right? I'm gonna put her neck here. Okay, and then we got a little ear over here. I don't know what kind of earrings those are, but we'll just customize some. We'll give her some customized J-Lo earrings. Okay. Okay. And now we can go ahead and add her shoulders. Okay. And just kind of fit the rest of her body in there. Super awesome. Alright, now let's work on our facial features. We've made it to that point where we have the honor of working on facial features. Okay. So what I'll do here is I'll start with my eyebrow shape. So I'll start kind of like in here somewhere. Okay. And then I'm gonna add my eye shape here. Just add some lashes there. Okay. Okay, I'm satisfied with those. Now we're going to add our nose shape here. So Jennifer has a very distinct little nose. She has very small nostrils. And in general, I always want to make the female nose very small. I don't want a big nose there. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw her mouth shape. So we don't want to be too cartoony there. Okay. So in general, I like the way that came out. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take our gray marker. And we're going to start adding shadows to the drawing. Just like so. It's coming out right nicely. Okay. Okay. Let's go back, guys, and get our little Sharpie out here. This is where I like to put emphasis on certain portions of my drawing. That I think stand out in the picture. This is very important. Okay. Now, let's go ahead, guys, and start doing our hair. So I'm going to take this marker here. This marker is really big here. But it's also very good for doing hair. So I just kind of go with the flow of it. Hair is something that takes a little bit of time to master, to understand. You know me, I hate the word master, because mastery implies you sometimes makes you go away from basics. Words are very powerful, so you want to make sure you use the right word so you get the right result. Okay, so I'm just about done here, guys. Let's go back over here to this other marker here. And just finish up that makeup. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're coming to the end of our drawing. I want to take this time to thank you for watching our video tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you'd like to have your favorite celebrity drawn and featured on our show, you want to show you how to draw them as a cartoon, you just want to witness it, maybe you're not interested in actually doing it, but you want to witness it, you may witness here at Rowserworld. Just send us a message here leave a comment in the comment section. That's the best way to do it. That's where I get a lot of my suggestions from. and I'll put you on the request list and get you taken care of, by golly. So that's it, guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. You have a blessed and wonderful day. And the Rouser will be seeing you next time. You guys be cool. Oh, one more thing. Now, there we go. That's Jennifer Lopez right there. Jenny from the block.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.